The police in Manchester say they still have no tangible leads in the case involving Jaden Smith. Despite that, the police say they continue to search for the 13-year-old student. Now, Jayden has been missing since Friday, September 26, 2025. Krista Campbell has this primetime news update.
2 months and counting. That's how long now 13-year-old first-form Manchester High School student Jaden Smith has been missing. But the police say they're still searching every lead they get.
Some people will call us to tell us that they dream something of where Jaden Smith is. And not even the dream we take for joke. When the dreams come in, we check them out just to see.
At the monthly meeting of the Municipal Corporation, head of the Manchester Police, Superintendent Kerry Duncan, explained that the police were looking into other operations as efforts so far have proven futile.
Several places were searched to include abandoned buildings, bushes, roads, plazas, supermarkets, and restaurants, as well as farms in the state. Several persons have been interviewed from whom statements have been recorded. Citizens as well as members of the business community are fully on board with us because we continue that level of engagement. The taximen, we continue to engage with them.
He noted that of the 151 persons reported missing in the parish since the start of the year, 87% returned home, while 3 were found dead. However, he says there has been a 4% decline in major crimes in Manchester. This includes a 37% drop in murders or 18 fewer cases than the same period last year. The police have cleared up or made arrests for 87% of those murders, while shootings are down 47% as 20 fewer incidents have been reported so far this year. Superintendent Duncan says break-ins continue to be a challenge for the police, and they've increased their numbers and patrols, especially in the festive season, to stem the issue of migratory criminals.
There's a proliferation of persons coming into the space from outside of the parish, and we have been getting some reports of large persons that's pickpocketing in space. And so we have also deployed covert operatives in the space. We depend heavily also on our eyes in the sky, our Jamaica eye and the cameras in the town center. We have been fortunate enough to nab some of these persons in the space.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.